Hey guys, Smallies. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the best catfish rig. This is just the way I make it. I totally get other people's ways of making catfish rigs, but this is the way I make it and it actually works pretty good. All you'll need is a strong, small hook, a snap swivel, and a regular swivel, and any kind of weight where you can, like bell weight or whatever, I guess, with a little eye so you can put it in a snap swivel, and and a little, like a foot and a half piece of line for your leader. So the first thing you want to do is, here, let me set this. Just bear with me here. I was trying to get this set up. Alright. The first thing you need to do is, it's hard to find my piece of line, is attach your swivel to your leader. You need to do that by just a regular fishing knot. I think it's called a blood knot or something. But anyway, you attach that, tie it, and you leave that for now. Oh no, gosh darn. And now, you take your main line here. This line is connected to the rod, and then you take your snap swivel, put it on this, and of course snap it, and then you take your main line like I just showed you and slide the thing you just attached up the line like so. So it goes free. Then you take the swivel you tied to the leader earlier, and you tie the other end to that swivel to your main line. Like this. Just bind, of course, another regular, any kind of fishing knot, I guess will do. I just always use this one because it's strong and fast. And this rig works really good for channel catfish. You can put a piece of liver or just a cut bait or whatever. So now, as you see here, we have the snap swivel and the line. It can freely go, so when the catfish runs with your chicken liver or cut shad or whatever, night crawler, they can run with it and have room. And it doesn't really, like, they don't know it's there. So then, of course, I won't let you shoot this because I'm just going to tie the hook on. But you just, of course, tie your little, tie your hook to the line. Just a simple thing like I've been doing before. Like that. I did a different knot on there this time, but whatever. So that's it. Please comment, rate. This is my catfish rig. Please comment. That'd be really nice to get my first comment. But have a nice day, and hopefully I'll get some new fishing videos out, and hopefully get a real camera. Bye.